Hello everyone, welcome back to online teaching of science lecture. In previous session, we had started lesson number 2, health and diseases. In that, we had learned what is health, what is disease and types of diseases. Related to this, some work also given to you to complete at home, which must have definitely completed. Now today we are going to learn some important diseases of present days. Let us see this picture first. What you can observe in this picture? There are many things such as garbage in the garden, a dirty flower pot, a dustbin, open water tank, a wastage tire with water. There is a dirtiness in surrounding. So, mosquitoes are sitting on their all places and spreading the diseases. So, today we can study about some important diseases of present days. Dengue. Mosquitoes lay the eggs in waterlogged places and thereby their population increases. Different species of mosquitoes spread different diseases. Dengue is spread by Aedes aegypti. This disease is caused by DEN 14 virus belonging to the type flavivirus. In dengue, mosquitoes lay the eggs in waterlogged places and thereby their population increases. Different species of mosquitoes spread different diseases. Dengue is spread by Aedes aegypti. This disease is caused by DEN 14 virus belonging to the type flavivirus. You understood now how the dengue is spread? Dengue is spread by Aedes aegypti. And which virus is caused the dengue? DEN 14 virus is caused by the dengue. Understood? Okay. Now we will see the symptoms of dengue. Symptoms: acute fever, headache, vomiting, pains in eye socket is very prominent symptom. Decrease in platelet count that may lead to internal hemorrhage. Symptoms of the dengue are: first one, acute fever and headache and vomiting. Second, pains in eye socket is very prominent symptom. Third, decrease in platelet count that may lead to internal hemorrhage. Internal hemorrhage means internal bleeding. Many of the times you heard that platelets counting is very less, and this is because of the dengue that may lead to the internal hemorrhage. Do you know malaria is spread by female Anopheles, while elephantiasis by female Culex. Anopheles and Aedes grow in clean water, while Culex in dirty and sewage water. How is the malaria spread? Malaria is spread by female Anopheles. And how is the elephantiasis spread? Elephantiasis is spread by female Culex. See here the picture of malaria, and which is spread by the female Anopheles of mosquito. Now this one, elephantiasis. Elephantiasis is caused by mosquito Culex. Today we have seen some important diseases of present days like dengue, malaria and elephantiasis. In next session we are going to learn diseases of swine flu, AIDS and rabies.